Every blog tells you to grab a JungleScout free trial, but they're lying. JungleScout killed their free trial back in 2019. I'm going to be showing you a 7-day workaround on how that works. Well, we can see right here, no free trial. Yeah, so a lot of people, I keep seeing it, their marketing, hit your free trial. There is no free trial, unfortunately, on JungleScout anymore. Now, there used to be, if you've been here for a while, you'll know that they used to offer a 14-day free trial, right? And it was awesome. Of course, this was the beginning days, right? They've been in business for 11 years now. And in the beginning, a lot of businesses are offering free trials to get more and more and more customers. Now that they're established, they say, we're not doing the free trials anymore. And it happens, right? And this is what their tool used to look like back in 2019, right? You can see how old it looks if you know how JungleScout works now. But it was still going strong. It still was doing a very, very, very good job way back when. One of the first Chrome extensions in the game, followed by Helium 10 shortly after. Now, the owner of JungleScout did sell the company to a bigger company, but it has been staying very consistent, right? And they are focused more on enterprise, but still, if you can get this tool for free and try it out for free, there's no harm done. Might as well, right? And JungleScout states that it does not offer a free trial anymore, but it does offer a 7-day money back guarantee. So can't really beat on that. And here is their plans right here. We got the starter, the growth accelerator, and the brand owner. So these are 3 different plans, and $29 a month, $49, and $129. So if you wanted to do this, obviously you do the monthly plan. You wouldn't pay. I recommend not paying a full year if you're planning on utilizing this method. When I first started, I did also utilize this method because you got to do what you got to do when you don't have lots of cash and you're a college student, right? So you would try the starter plan, right? And that's my recommendation. Try the starter plan. You pay for it. And before that 7 days are up, you would contact them and get a refund. And I know it's not the best thing to do, but if you have no money or you're putting all your money into the product, you got to do what you got to do to make money. And then to this day, I pay JungleScout. They actually gave me a lifetime plan. That's a whole different video, but you can see the differences. And the starter plan really includes everything you need. And it says right here, try Catalyst risk-free for 7 days. Now, it doesn't mention the exact plan, so maybe you could do the brand owner plan. I haven't actually looked at their specific policies, but I know for a fact that the starter plan, they will give you a refund. They should do it on every plan if you don't like it, right? But I know for a fact they'll do it on the starter plan, right? And you can always ask them, but you don't want to act shady. Now we can see they've got the pricing, JungleScout's overview, right? And kind of just going through what's JungleScout, why JungleScout, and how many tools that they have. They've got educational resources, and it's a great tool overall. But if we really want to look into it, we can actually log in and see what tools that they offer. Now, right when you're about to log in, I highly recommend to go through and actually have a list of things that you want to do right away. Because if you only have 7 days, you should try to spend a lot of time working on the tool and making sure it's completely optimized. So, for example, if you are going to do this, I recommend to ask for a refund on day 5. So you actually only have 5 days, and you want to triple check it, have it in your calendar, have your ASINs ready to validate anything that you want to do, anything that you want to tackle, and have hours available for this method, right? So whether it's product research, competitive intelligence, keyword optimization, review automation, all of these tools are really good, and the extension is one of the best in class. I would say this would be worth it if you're trying to launch a product and it's your first time, you're trying to double down, launch a product, understand the tool. This is a great time to do it. Also, they have an academy right here, which is definitely recommended. But if we're looking and we're like, okay, I want to sell something like Lululemon, this can help you find the actual suppliers extremely quickly. And I don't know anybody else who has a tool like this, right? Literally typed in Lululemon. I'm sure we all know that brand. Lululemon USA, legit, and then Lululemon for Canada. And they're giving you they're in the Philippines. There you go. The exact supplier. I mean, because they're tracking the imports and exports. Very smart of JungleScout because they only want to provide accurate data. It's just for the contact info, save it, view the shipments. If we were trying to do product research, we can go to the product research tab and actually do our own product research here. Let's say if I wanted to sell an office product, right? Like a pen. I wanted to sell a pen, but I wanted to sell a $50 pen, or I wanted to find something that's in the same niche, right? It sells for $50 on Amazon. It's already on Amazon and it's making $10,000 a month. Boring. The boring products usually do the best, right? Because people don't notice them. You click search, and once you do search, I already did it. And what it shows you all these different products. And right here, it's showing me a product. Here, let's do this one actually. So it's showing me a product. It's showing me the units sold, average price, reviews, star rating. You can also view the keywords of the product. So you can view your competitors' top keywords and pretty much not steal their keywords, but borrow their keywords. You can see what keywords you want to be putting in your title, in your description, right? And you can also search the product database to find their supplier, and then listing analyzer to analyze their listing to see how bad the listing is doing, or your own listing, right? We can see their sales. Now, if we click X all the way to the right, here we go. You can see their monthly revenue, potentially $178,000. And this is like one of those little packaging. You can see like, I guess you just put your labels in here, and they're selling it for $70. They're making a significant amount of money. This is half sheet labels. See anything unique? I think that was about a lot of pages of products. You got 446 pages of products that they're recommending to you. A lot of sticky notes, big checks. This is hilarious. No way. $11,000 a month. I never would have thought, but that is a great idea because I know big checks are fun. Wow. Look at that. 400. Who's buying this? But this is pretty awesome. School donation. Very, very, very cool. Great for photos, great photo opportunity. And this is the boring stuff where you're like the stuff that you'll never think about. Awesome. Yeah. So, is it worth it at the end of the day? I highly recommend if you're a brand new seller, you're tight on money, right? Try it out, right? Because JungleScout knows, and again, I've done this, that once you start making money, if the tool's good, you'll come back and you'll pay them long term. And that's what I did. That's what a lot of sellers do. You got to do what you got to do. You fake it till you make it. And then once you start making it, pay them back. That's what I highly recommend. If you did want to start, there is a link in the description to access the JungleScout tool. And then you could potentially pay that or, do the trick in this video. But I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. If you need any help on Amazon, we're here to help you. The link's right in the description to contact us. And I'm signing out.